Whew, hey, and what's going, everybody? Flame here, and today I'll be showing you the ultimate chicken bomb of all Minecraft theater. Yes, as you can see, let's watch the sunset. Us together, let's watch the sunset go down as we build a chicken bomb. Chicken. Ah, lovely sunset. Goodbye. Alright, I'll just leave and I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, I'll sleep. As you can see, there's my brother there. Oh. No, brother, why are you dying? No. But anyways, howdy everybody. I'll make a chicken bomb, the ultimate chicken bomb of all Minecraft. So, let's do the official redstone, aka the flame block. Let's do the highest tower. This is the world record in the whole Minecraft activity is something and the blah blah. And as you can see, there are spiders saying, "Oh, what is that? A big dildo?" No, this is not a dildo. This is the red tower, aka the flame black tower. Shitty. And I'll make a chicken bomb. Okay, so that's that. Let's break one time. Put TNT here. Oh, mommy. And I'll get bone. No, I forgot. Boom. And I'll be right back when I'm finished doing this activity. So, I freaking screwed up. So, just make another one. So freaking tired. I thought the screen recorder was off, so I stay quiet. Oh come on, I'm low bat, but I made this the ultimate chicken bomb. 2, 3, 4. Chicken bomb. As they slowly fall down. Sound effects. Pew, 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 pew. Yay! It's freaking finished, and that's how you kill the chickens. Yeah. And that's how you build. That's how you make chicken bomb. Oh look, I just made a big dick. So anyways, that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials only at Flames How To with Flame. Yeah. See you guys later. Goodbye.